Prepare for CRE certification from American Society for Quality.
Institute of Quality and Reliability announces Certified Reliability Engineer online workshop from 11 May to 27 June 2026. Workshop is based on 2025 version of the body of knowledge specified by American Society for Quality. Visit www.worldclassquality.com for more details. Average rating of 9.54 for the CRE workshop conducted in July-August 2024. This workshop is ideal for all those who wish to get certified from American Society for Quality as Reliability Engineer, CRE certification.
Participants get access to 3 online simulated exams of 150 multiple choice questions and also certification to successful participants from Institute of Quality and Reliability. Course is online and therefore learn in safe and comfortable environment of your home. Participants can access recorded sessions for 6 months, so not to worry if you miss any session. Highly qualified and experienced faculty members with total 13 ASQ certifications. Here is the convenient workshop schedule. Monday, Wednesday, Friday and Saturday, India time 6:30 to 9:30 p.m., Gulf Standard Time 5 to 8 p.m. and GMT 1 to 4 p.m. Note the dates 11th May to 27 June 2026. So what are you waiting for? Register for the workshop. Link to download detailed brochure and registration form is given in the information. Visit us at www.world-class-quality.com.